this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your phone. So this is easy to do. I'm just going to be using a Samsung Galaxy. So I'm going to log in here and I'm going to go to the Bluetooth options. So typically you want to just swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here, select this, and then let's go to Bluetooth. So you got connections right here. Then we want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And you might have to press scan or something like that. With your controller turned off, if it's turned on, just hold down the PlayStation button for 10 seconds. That will turn off your controller. With the controller turned off, press share and PlayStation button down at the same time. I'll hold it down. And this will cause the light bar to blink. Okay. Then go on down. Well, let's press scan first. Here's my wireless controller. Tap it. Go to pair. And it's that easy. Our controller is now connected to our phone. And we can go to the settings right here, and we can unpair it and disconnect it from our phone. So if we want to turn it off, just hold down the PlayStation button, and we'll turn it off after about 5 to 10 seconds. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.